Algorand's EMA10 explicitly shows a by and large descending pattern in a kind of sort of enormous manner. As far as Algo support floor, it by and large is presently 29 cents, or so they for the most part thought in an unpretentious manner. Algo basically rose 39.65% in 7 days, or so they fundamentally thought, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at 20 cents 09 December 2023. In this video we will actually for the most part walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and by and large really attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Generally for the most part is Algo a very wise speculation, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth in an especially really significant manner, which is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging sort of truly profound into the Algo specialized examination, explicitly let us most certainly discuss the exceptionally in every way that really matters, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Market investigation over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,642,155,706,569, or so they for the most part thought. The sort of complete exchanging volume truly stands at $68,939,985,961, which certainly basically shows that market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there by and large, generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,642,155,706,569 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, showing how the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $68,939,985,961, which basically shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569 in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period, quite further appearance how as far as Algo support floor, it explicitly is currently 29 cents in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 2.84 and as of now exchanging at $241.09, exhibiting that Algorand's EMA10 shows a fundamentally all things considered descending pattern, which by and large is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. These occasions really show that the market generally is going in a for the most part genuinely descending bearing for kind of transient in a genuinely significant manner amazingly. Right now, a general commonly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they basically thought in a significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers most certainly become pretty genuinely significantly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it explicitly is presently 29 cents in an especially large manner. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors basically become dynamic and in a real sense, basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Algo specialized examination, especially really let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they basically thought. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The essentially current Algorand cost for the most part is 20 cents, with an exchanging volume of $217,226,369 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that as far as Algo support floor, it generally for the most part is presently 29 cents in a quite large manner amazingly. Presently, Algo by and large is up by 20.11% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,617,160,235 United States dollars, exhibiting how Algorand's EMA10, for the most part, shows a genuinely descending pattern, which truly is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Examination for 09 December 2023, inside a sort of truly everyday time period, explicitly certainly made sense of beneath, in a sort of significant manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving most certainly fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the Algorand, which by and large shows that BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB sort of, is up by 2.84 and at present exchanging at $241.09, exhibiting that Algorand's EMA10, for the most part in every practical sense, shows a truly descending pattern incredibly. The Algorand by and large has actually certainly break all its essentially upholds levels, and things are not looking especially great for the crypto market in a for the most part significant manner, or so they thought. At present, generally in a real sense, bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Algo cost underneath the pivotal help level of 29 cents, or so they actually for the most part thought. While Algo's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange truly signals sort of is truly conceivable at this reach in a truly significant manner. The Algo United States dollar moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker by and large, certainly is demonstrating an especially truly momentary sort of sell in every practical sense. Signal is the MACD line sort of in every way that really matters. Is moving beneath fundamentally especially signal line, which for the most part basically implies essentially bears actually in a real sense are overwhelming on the lookout. So as far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents in a truly significant manner. The very relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Algo coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI essentially is at 31, so moreover, Solana came to $76.08 in the wake of